Hello, good evening. This is Omar Carrillo. I just wanted to show you the vehicle that is in stock. You have your parking sensors there. This beautiful blistered pearl 4Runner Limited with 20-inch wheels. Nice chrome running boards there. You see the light streak across of it. You have keyless entry, smart key entry, LED tail lamps. Nice chrome accents, elements down there. Very nice vehicle. Take a look at the back of the vehicle real quick. Nice cargo cover. You also get the little tow hitch there. It's in there. Sneak peek at the interior. Look at the inside, very nice. Very nice door panel there right there. This nice red wood grain here. Heated and cooled seats. Dual climate zone. Navigation. Nice beautiful blue glow from the buttons. High quality interior. Sunroof. My name is Omar Carrillo. Give me a call 972-241-6655, or you can call me on my cell phone 214-576-8738. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening. I will follow up with you.